Okay, so it's 22nd, I think, yeah, 22nd of uh, March. Last night on 21st, around 10 p.m., my CA final results were declared. I had given Group 1 in the month of Jan, and I was expecting that I would clear because seeing the question papers, the level which were set this time, my exams went well, so I was kind of expecting that I will clear. I will get around 210 to 220, but to my surprise, or rather, I should say shock, I have secured 133, 38 in FR, 27 in uh, SFM, so it may 35 in audit, 98, and I think 33 in law, which are specifically the marks of SFM, law, and audit are very astonishing for me because I have a habit of evaluating my question paper. So, whenever I used to come from the examination hall, I used to evaluate by giving around 15-20 minutes that how much I should score, and I used to do it very rigorously. So, as per my evaluation, around 210 to 220 was there. Even in law, I was expecting an exemption, but can't do anything about it. What is done is done. So now the only way is to look forward and move forward. Today is 22nd. I'm making this video for a reminder that what was my feel on the result day and what I had promised to myself. It is not for any views or anything. I'm just making this for myself. Yes, I'm completely disheartened. Exactly. I have flunked before as well in IPCC and in CPT too. That time I I couldn't handle my failure gracefully because every time whenever I have failed, I used to cry a lot, silently, obviously. But this time I haven't cried. Even if you see me right now, you won't see a major change in my voice because definitely I'm upset, I'm very much disheartened, but by being emotional about it, I don't think that would help. Rather, it will take more time to be normal. So I'm just taking it as an opportunity to succeed. And next, my next exams will be from 21st May 2021, so I'll be appearing for group 1 only, and I will definitely again give my best shot. I will definitely apply for RTI copies, and I will see what mistakes I have done so that I can rectify them. And till I receive the copies, I will start studying, obviously, and try to plug the areas where I have flunked. So, just one simple message for people like me who have failed, like, don't take it as a failure, consider it as a what should I say, as a part of success. Like, if you truly believe in yourself, you will understand that uh, you are going to create history. You will have your own story in coming 5 years or 10 years. So these things won't matter at that time. No one is going to ask you how many attempts or what. If you have that prefix, that's enough. So these failures will shape you as a person, and they will make you a better human being. So it will help you in your life as well, because Everyone gets the taste of failure. Some get it early in life, some get it at some later stage, but it will come surely in your life. And if it has come early, obviously I would not suggest you to get failed in exam to experience this. But if you have failed, what positive you can take from it? So it is like, just look for the things that will help you to achieve your goal, your dream. My dream is becoming a CA, and I will definitely become one, no matter who believes in me or not. But I personally do believe in myself, and I know I will crack it. Sooner or later I will crack it. I will become a CA for sure. So never lose hope, guys. You don't need anyone, you don't need any motivational speaker or anything. Just believe in yourself, just work hard, don't cheat yourself, just give your best, focus on your goals, focus on every day, daily target, daily schedule, win small battles, and eventually the May 21 results or further any result for which you are working will come as a byproduct. Success will be a byproduct of your everyday process, everyday's process. So follow the process every day diligently, and bas that's it. So signing off. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please share it with others. Not making it for likes, just if you like it, you can share it with your friends and all. So thank you so much. We'll meet you after May exams results. So then we'll update you about what my results, how my exams went, and after my results, whether I cleared or not. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.